Want to edit like this?
Stop using these old-fashioned emojis in your videos. Instead, use these premium animated emojis. Comment emoji and I will send it. First things first, fire up your CapCut on your PC. It's as simple as clicking on the import button and selecting your footage. Remember, the key to a viral short lies in engaging footage, whether it's your own clips or sourced from royalty-free platforms. Now let's dive into the editing process. Bring your audio into the timeline and now add the background. Adjust the opacity to your liking. Add the necessary animations to spice things up. Drag the stop emoji to the timeline. Zoom in on the timeline a bit. Stop using and adjust the time duration. Stop using the Now add the animation. Go to Animation and select Shake 1 and Duration 5. Now go to Out and select the Slide Right Duration 2. Stop using these old. Now add a transition. Select the clip, go to Basic and click the Blend option, choose the screen. Stop using these old. The slide right animation applies a whoosh sound effect. And of course, no viral short is complete without sound effects. Using these. Adjust the volume to ensure they complement your visuals perfectly. Using these old. Stop using these old. Now add the 5 emojis and adjust it. A little bit, set the time duration. Then select the 5 emojis and create a compound clip. Go to Animation. Click the combo and select the first. Experiment with animations and don't forget to adjust the volume to keep things balanced. The pop sound effects will be better in this animation. Add the pop sound effect. Now set them. Adjust the volume. Stop using these old-fashioned emojis. It's time for the third clip. Stop using these old-fashioned emojis in your videos. Instead, use Go to Animation and select Pendulum 1. In your videos instead, add the audio. In your videos instead. It's time for the animated emojis. All emojis drag into the timeline, and select. And remove the green screen with using the chroma key. Then select all the videos and create the compound clip. Go to Combo and select Zoom 1. Use these premium animated emojis. Now add the ping audio. Use these premium animated emojis. Add the comment icon. Comment emoji. Adjust it and add the animation. Shake is to be applied to the comment. Add a typewriter sound effect. Similarly, animation has to be applied to all the clips. Zoom in is to be applied to the emoji. To make your viral short stand out, add effects and animation. CapCut offers a wide range of effects to choose from. Emoji. And finally, pendulum 1 animation has to be applied. Experiment with different animations to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Stop using these old-fashioned emojis in your videos. Instead, use these premium animated emojis. Comment emoji and I will send it. Adding a caption to your viral short will enhance its impact. Go to text. Click the auto caption. Select the language. Then create. Now choose the text style, font, color, and animation. Enhance your viral short with text overlays and music. Use text to highlight key points or add context to your footage. Choose the perfect soundtrack to set the mood and keep your viewers hooked. Stop using these old-fashioned emojis in your videos. Instead, use these premium animated emojis. Comment emoji and I Stop Stop using these old-fashioned emojis in your videos. Instead, use these premium animated emojis. Comment emoji and I will send it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.